Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Jaisha and I'm going to apologize in advance. As you can see, I'm talking to the camera in this video, but unfortunately there is no audio. Yes, I forgot to turn on my mic the entire time I was filming. Ugh. And I didn't even realize until the next day, until I was completely done filming, of course. But I really wanted to get this video out, so that's why I decided to just do a voiceover. And I'm going to try to remember everything I said to the camera. I didn't want the actual footage to go to waste because I'm trying a brand for the first time. In this video, I'm trying the Olaplex system. Olaplex products have bond building technology that is protein free and repairs disulfide hair bonds at the molecular level. So it works from the inside out and is said to be for all hair types. And I picked up this healthy hair discovery kit at Sephora at their sale that they just had, and it comes with the mini sizes of the number 3, the complete repair treatment, also the number 4, which is the bond maintenance shampoo, number 5 is the bond maintenance conditioner, number 6 bond smoother leave-in, number 7 bonding oil, and lastly the scalp longevity treatment. And you guys know me, I'm always going to start with the minis when I don't know how a product is going to work on my hair or if I'm going to like it, particularly for higher priced items like Olaplex. A full-size bottle, as in 8 ounces, of each of these is no less than $32, $34. So yeah, I'm starting small. Not that it's not worth the price, but I don't know that yet before my first try. I've bought full-size products before that I ended up not liking how it worked, Pattern Beauty, and then I'm stuck with a full bottle of something I can't use and I'm out $60, $80 or more. So that's my thing from now on, and it's worked because I've bought minis and then didn't like the product, Adjua Beauty, and I'm grateful that I did not have to worry about spending money or having extra product on a full size that I do not like. And I was just saying here that this is the only time that I'm not using a deep conditioner on wash day. Normally, I deep condition no matter what, and I was thinking, like, am I going to be missing some type of moisture in my hair? But then I realized the number 3 is a repair treatment, so that should take the place of my deep conditioner. It should actually do better than a deep conditioner would. It was just a little weird for me to apply it before I shampoo, but those are the steps, and I followed the exact instructions that they gave. So you're not gonna believe this. I filmed me washing my hair, but I messed that up too. Oh my gosh, don't even ask. Y'all, don't let me take another break from YouTube like this because clearly I could not get it together. Hot mess express. Anyways, I started with the number 3 plus in the shower. Did I mention there's a new formula for the number 3? It's number 3 plus now. So I guess it's better than before. But they numbered it good because you only have to leave it on your hair for 3 minutes, which I absolutely loved that. A lot of masks and treatments and deep conditioners, you have to sit on your hair for 10, 15 minutes, sometimes up to 30 minutes. You have to leave it on. So this made things a little bit easier and quicker for sure. And then I just washed my hair with the shampoo, which surprisingly the mini was enough for 2 washes. And then I used their conditioner. I don't normally use conditioner on my hair. I typically just go straight into deep conditioner after my wash. So this felt like an additional step for me, but I didn't leave it in long, so it didn't really take much time. And this is after my shower and washing my hair. I'm putting on gloves to do my hair right here. I've been doing this lately for a few reasons. Number 1, it keeps my nails in good shape because there isn't a bunch of water and hair product getting all over my nails and under my nails and messing up my nails. Number 2, it keeps my nails from snagging on my hair and pulling pieces out. I don't know about you, but that happens to me all the time and it's quite annoying. So the gloves protect my nails and my hair. And the next step is the scalp longevity treatment, which is to be applied to a damp, clean scalp. This product isn't something I would normally buy. I just used it because it came in the set, But I'm glad it did because we tend to forget about our scalp as a part of our healthy hair journey. Well, at least I do. But the scalp is skin, so it needs love and hydration too. Now, the bottle is tiny, so this didn't reach all of my scalp, but I put it on the important parts. The next step, and we're almost done. Number 6 is the Bond Smoother Leave In Styling Treatment, basically a leave in conditioner. And this can be used on its own, or you can add some of the number 7 bonding oil to it. And as you can see, the bonding oil did not want to come out. This bottle is so tiny, and there was just one tiny little hole at the top for the oil to come out of, and it was being super stubborn. So I didn't add too much of the oil to the leave-in, but I did go back in after I was done styling my hair, and I added just the oil as a finishing treatment for some shine and a little more bonding strength, just so that they can all work together to do their thing. And I just applied that to my 4 sections. Now for my styler, well, first, I don't think I mentioned that I'm doing a twist out today, but yeah, I'm doing a twist out, and I'm gonna be using the Alodia Length Retention Anti-Breakage Curl Defining Jelly Custard. Whew. What a name. So this is the consistency, and I think it's more of a custard than a jelly or a gel, but I wanted to go for a lightweight product. I don't know why in my mind I didn't want it interfering with the Olaplex, so I didn't want something too heavy. Not sure if that even matters, but whatever. I remember using this product. I think I only used it once. I tried it out for a wash and go, and the hold was not heavy. I just know it was like a lightweight kind of product. It didn't give strong hold at all, but it still didn't give light hold either. It was probably somewhere in between. It was probably medium. So this is the first time I'm trying it for a twist out, so I was taking a chance on seeing how it worked. Boom. For some reason, I think I made these twists a little bit bigger than I normally do. I don't know why, but that was concerning me. They just look like a little bit puffier and juicier, but I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and be back with the dried results. And so this is the next day. The twists are fully dry, and I still didn't realize that I was filming with absolutely no audio. My goodness. Anyways, I put some of the bonding oil on my fingers to take the twists out, and that was really it for these Olaplex products. You saw the little sniff test, and I actually really liked how these products smelled. They all had the same scent, which was pretty light and fresh, and I love when hair products have that type of scent because maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I don't like strong scents for my hair products. I don't need it to smell like super sweet, like a jar of candy, or like, I don't know. I don't need a lingering scent. Just a nice, clean, mild scent. But overall, I liked the products. I still have some of the leave-in and the oil left, even though it's a tiny, tiny jar. So I'm happy about that. Everything else was a one-time use. It may be hard to say from just one use if it's made a difference or gonna make a difference, but I think I am going to be incorporating some type of bond building or bond maintenance product into my routine moving forward, just as a maintenance thing to avoid any damage and see how it does. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any bond building products in your hair routine and how you feel about them. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll tell you what, if I get enough likes on this video, let's say if I get 100 likes on this video within 1 week's time, I will gift a random person from my comment section this same Olaplex Healthy Hair Discovery Set so that you can try it for your hair. Thought I was done unraveling all of my twists, and then oop, there's one in the back that I missed. Don't you just love when that happens? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you found it helpful. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!